So like I was saying, guys, some of the best things about this fridge are definitely the fact that it is a dual zone, and it's a true dual zone. So if you open it up here, you've got your removable baskets. They really come in handy. You can put everything, fill it up, pull it out if you have to. You're not worried about, you know, losing any items in the bottom of that or any items moving around. So keeping inside the cooler here, we also have a couple other features that I really like about this fridge freezer. And so we already talked about the bins that come in and out. That's also great to have. If you look right up here, we also have a cutting board. So simply move that out. Boom. Pull that out. You've got a cutting board now. Okay, easy to clean, nice plastic. You can stick that right back in there. It locks into place, nice and easy. The other thing that is really awesome with this fridge is the fact that it has LED lighting inside.